In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search templates in CapCut PC. If you want to speed up your editing workflow with pre-made video layouts, this is a great feature to know. CapCut includes a built-in template library that can help you quickly find ready-made designs for text, transitions, and video styling, all without having to build everything from scratch. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that library, how to search it effectively, and how to preview and apply the right template for your project. To begin, open CapCut on your desktop. Before entering any active editing project, look over to the vertical menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This area is where CapCut organizes the main sections of the app. Just below the Project Library tab, you'll see the Templates as option. Click on Templates once and the main dashboard will switch over to a large library filled with pre-made video layouts. This is where CapCut stores a wide range of creative starting points, so if your goal is to work faster or explore design ideas, this is the place to start. Once the template library is open, move your cursor to the top center of the interface. You'll find a clear horizontal search bar there. Click inside the search field and type in keywords that match the style you're looking for. For example, you might search for minimal titles, clean transitions, or split-screen graphics. Using specific keywords usually helps narrow the results and makes it easier to find something that fits the tone of your video. After typing your search term, press Enter on your keyboard to run the search. When the results appear, look just below them for the built-in filters. These let you sort templates by horizontal or vertical aspect ratio, which is especially helpful depending on whether you're creating content for widescreen platforms or vertical mobile formats. To preview a template before choosing it, hover your mouse over any thumbnail card. CapCut will automatically play a looping live preview, giving you a quick look at the motion, pacing, and overall visual style. When you find a template that matches your project, click the blue Use Template button. CapCut will download the asset and place it directly into a fresh timeline lane, ready for you to replace the placeholder media with your own footage. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate the left sidebar, use the search bar, preview template thumbnails, and apply a template to your timeline in just a few clicks.